Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the thing is, we are doing release procedure with classification, right? Yesterday we created the characteristics, and then we created the class. But the problem was the system is not accepting our class, right? We are unable to create the release group. Okay, now let me go to the system. S21 FICO 102 HANA HANA. Okay, so let us go to SPRO. Go to material management, then go to purchasing. Okay, then you go to purchase order, then you go to release procedure for purchase order. So we created the characteristics. This characteristic and edit, this is not accepting. We are facing the challenge here in the release group. Okay, so yesterday I created a release group taking the same class. So SAP defined class is acceptable in this server, other classes are not taken. So I have created one business group, same thing, taking the class and PO release for release group, because system is taking SAPO underscore class, no other class is accepting, right? So in your case, this is fine. If the system accepts, that is fine. Otherwise, if the system doesn't accept, then you can avoid these two configurations. These two configurations you can avoid. Creation of characteristics, and you can avoid these two configurations. If the system accepts, fine. Otherwise, you can accept, you go for SAP reference, because in many cases SAP is not allowing to create or creating some problem or creating inconsistencies. You can avoid these two steps. Okay, you can avoid these two steps, and you can directly go to let me cover this. Okay, you can go to the same part. You can go to the following. This one, first one is release group. Release group, I have taken the SAP reference one, SPO class, and this is our release group. BP means business partner. Number two, release object. It's the SAP. It is nothing here. You can take this one, and description you can mention, instead of group 10 and all those things, you can mention PO release. Okay. So you will go for this. This is our release group and PO release. Copy it.
Sir, what is the release group?
Sorry.
Sir, can you explain what is release group?
What is release group? The release group is the group of people, those who will be releasing. Those are the release group. Okay.
Okay,
Release
so
group.
it contains like 2 to 3 people in a group, you mean?
Yes, yes, yes. Because you know
Okay.
these two configuration which I try to do it through tables, this server is not supporting this. In fact, SAP is not allowing to create here in this server. So you can avoid these first two steps and you can go ahead with the SAP reference, because in HANA, SAP has recommended wherever possible you take SAP reference one. So I've taken in the class ACPO class. Okay, one class can be assigned to multiple release groups. So this case I have BP, I have created a release group and I have taken the SAP defined class. Okay, so this is the release group. Because other two steps are very confusing, you people also these don't want to understand, so you can avoid that. Because I've been creating from the table. Okay, release group. So you can go for release group. In fact, you will understand that when the release procedure was not there, even though you can release your POs, when I did the first P2P run, but this topic is important, so it is required to learn. So release group. After release group, you go to this one. Release codes. Okay, in the release codes, you can see here, I've created release code BP 10 and 20, manager and senior manager. Okay, these release codes were created earlier. 10 is for manager and 20 is for senior manager. You can click on new entries and come create like this. Okay, so I've created this, creating the BP group, and release code is 10 and 20. I think 10 and 20 I have done previously when in this place. I created a release code. Remember? It is release strategy for without classification. Oh, I've created this release code Z1, Z2, Z3. Anyway, this is without classification. Okay. Release code is, it's a 2-character key that represents an individual or department, right? So this is for without classification, and this one which I created is with classification. I have created the release code. I have given 10, 20. You can give accordingly. You can give the number, right? So this is the release codes. In the release codes, this is the group. This is my group will be the same. This is my 10 for manager, 20 for the senior manager. Okay. This is not ours. Our invoice is not ours. So I think this is SAP defines something like that. Okay. Read the release codes from here. So these two are the release codes. Next one is release indicator. Release indicator. Indicator. Bold. Okay. In the release indicator, okay, in the release indicator, These are released ID. Okay, if you go to new entries, you can create the ID. You can create changeable, value change, description. Okay, you can create any of these. So here what I have done, I've created X and Y at the release ID. I have created, and for X I have tick mark released, and this is what is 4. 4 means changeable, new release in case of new strategy. You can change it. Okay, and value is if there is a 10% change, value change, in a change in values, you can release. Okay, and Y is for blocked. These are all SAP defined. This you can create. AC they have created. XYZ is our, right? But it's getting hanged. Okay, means if there's any change in value, 10% applicable. After that, it will not allow. Okay, if there is a 10% change in value, remember, and Y means blocked. Okay, so let us take a screenshot of this. These things you can create easily. System will not block you or not prevent you. These are the indicators that you will be using. Okay. Next is after the release indicator comes
Sir,
release.
that second one is there, right?
Sorry.
That second one is there, right? That 10 block.
Which one? This one, release indicator. Release
Huh.
indicator means if you select X means released. If you select Y, it's been blocked. Okay.
Okay. And the C means
Which one?
C.
This one. This one. AC is
Huh.
not created by me. AC is SAP defined.
Okay.
XYZ is ours. I have created for your training. Okay. XYZ. Simply you go to new entries, you can put the data. That's it. And save it.
Then, but we will be using AC also, right? A and C.
Yes, A and C, but it is not in released indicator is not there. I have released it except for released indicator.
But what
this
does
is
that mean? I want to ask.
this is A and C for release ID. If you are using SAP define, you can copy it from A or you can use the SAP one. But if you click here, it is means released. If you don't click it is not released. This is blocked. Number 1 means cannot be changed. And number 4 means you can change. Changeable, new release. In case of new strategy, if you have a new strategy for release of the PO, then you accept 4. So in this case, I have taken 4.
But
Here,
change with strategy means like what does that mean?
strategy is the rules that you will be following, no, for release procedure.
Huh.
This is the strategy. What will be your strategy? What will be your plan to release? I will come to that point. I have not come that.
Okay.
Okay, because I'll be doing that again.
Okay.
These are not mine. These are your for these your X and Y. Okay. Next is release strategies. Okay, in release strategies, what you have to do, let's go. This is the release strategy. Can you see? One means this is one release strategy 1 and release strategy 2. Okay, you can create your own release strategy. How you can create? There it is. Let's see if there is any other fields. No, only 3. So I have not created a release strategy. Now I will create a release strategy. New entries. Okay. In new entries, what is your release group? Your release view is BP. Okay. What is your release strategy? Do you have a release strategy? You don't have a release strategy. Okay, so you can make one release strategy. You cannot make R1. This is already there. You can keep same BP. Too easy to remember BP. Okay. Release strategy. You can in the description you can write PO release. PO release. Okay. What will be the release codes? Release codes will be 10. You can select here release code. 10 is for manager and 20 is for senior manager. Okay. 10 is for the manager and 20 is for the senior manager. Okay. Then release prerequisites. What is the release prerequisites? He has to pass this. First the manager, then the senior manager. Okay. First the manager and then the senior manager. Continue. Such a conflict. Okay, 10. Continue. Okay. Then release status. What is the release status? This is the release status. 1020 select. Released. Okay. Released. 10 and 20 is our manager, senior manager, and X is for release. Okay. Continue. What is
Sir,
the classification?
can you explain once again that?
Yes, yes. Yes. This one.
Huh.
Yes, tell me.
No,
Yes,
just explain.
yes, tell me. What you want to
Can
know?
you just explain once again?
This is our 10 and 20 manager and senior manager.
Hmm.
If the manager approves, then the senior manager will have to approve, and then it get released. So X is the released indicator for us.
And 10 and 20 means like what?
10 and 20 is the step. 10, 20 is the step. Okay.
Okay. Means it is named like 10 is for manager, 20 is for senior manager.
Yes. One minute. বলুন। একটু আমাদের কাজ চলছে, ফরম্যাটিং এর কাজ চলছে সার্ভারে, ঠিক আছে, সেই জন্য আজকের দিনটা এরকম হবে, কাল থেকে ঠিক হয়ে যাবে। ওকে। So release status X. Okay. Classification. This is the classification. Okay, you can see there release group BP, class type restrict, BP release strategy. Total net value that I was creating in the character. So everything will come here automatically. So no need to do anything. You can keep it blank at the moment. Okay. And this is for release simulation. Simulate release.
Sir, what is the release simulation?
Release means what you have created here. You are release simulating means you are releasing, running the release procedure. That's it.
Okay, so there is nothing in that tab. Okay.
BP. Simulate release. You don't have to do anything at the moment. If there is required, then we'll come and do anything. You leave it as it is. Okay. Now see, you're able to. This is your company code? No, I don't think so. What is your company code?
9501.
Hmm.
G.
When you do the practical, no, then whenever there will be error, I have to come here and do the rectification. What is 950 and accounts payable? This is your company?
Yeah.
Why is MM customization of this one, MM customization GP. And then you enter. Data was saved. Okay. And the last one is workflow. Okay. Now in the release, PO release description, strategy description is PO release. Okay. Instead of PO release, okay, let it be. We'll come back later on. If there is required, we'll come back. Workflow. You go to new entries. Okay. What is a group? BP. BP is our group. Okay. Group is our BP for the workflow PO release. And what is our code? 10 is the manager and 20 is the senior manager. What is this? This is for object type. In the object type, you will select. In the object type, you select this one, user, means SAP user. Select the user. SAP user, okay? Employee. Okay. Agent ID, you can give the name, anything, name of the person, anything, Raja, or this one is you can give Mohit, anything you can give. Okay, and then you enter. Manager, Raja is manager and senior manager is Mohit. And this is the user ID. This is for workflow. It's not allowing Raja's name. Okay. Then you leave it blank, no problem. Agent ID is not being created, so you can leave it blank. Rest is same. Enter it. Data will be same. Again, this one also inconsistent. Okay, we'll leave this one also, no problem. It is not allowing actually. And this one is this plant. Okay. Leave this at the moment, don't use it at the moment. Okay, now let's see if we can save it. Okay, role assignment is also inconsistent. Okay, so we'll not do anything here, we'll leave it here. It's not allowing. Let's come out of this. No. Okay, now check release strategies. Basic checks. Okay, no errors, nothing. Okay, no problem. Now let us come to the point. What is the creation of PO? Transaction code for creation of PO? What is the transaction code for creation of PO?
ME 23.
23N, right? ME 21.
21.
Okay, ME 21N. Standard PO. Okay. Who was our supplier? Company
Food
code?
Corporation of India.
95. Huh?
Food Corporation.
Food Corporation. Okay. Okay, what is our purchase organization? 9501, right? 9501. Okay. In the standard document. Standard PO. What is GP, right? GEP. Okay, now enter. Okay. Food Commission India has come. Okay. Now account assignment is fine. This is fine. Account assignment is K. Okay. Just give me a second, please. Sir. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So let us come. Then this is guys. Wait. Okay. This is assignment item category. What is our item category? Is standard. Okay. Okay. So what is the material? Can anybody tell me the material? 9512. What is the material? Wheat.
Wheat था सर.
What is the word?
950W था शायद से.
9502.
W 950W था शायद से.
अच्छा 95W. Okay, got it. Material group. What is the plant?
9502.
9502. 8502. It's not giving 9502. Okay, let me give wheat. Wheat dash 9502. Wheat. What is the price of wheat? Wheat grain. Quantity 100. 100 kg you are purchasing. What is the price? 20 rupees. Enter. Okay, what is the plant? 9502. Enter.
Yes sir.
you have to go through the notes, then only you will be account assignment to cost center. So what is our cost center? Company code 9501. My corporate office. No. What was we are taking 95 is wheat for which plant? Bangalore plant. Okay, Bangalore plant. Enter. Okay, so everything is fine. Yes. Yes. Okay. Everything is fine. Now let me check here. All alerts, no problem. Post it. Save it. So just note down this PO number 45 5 times 0629. Okay. Okay. Now /n MEL9. /n NE. Have you noted down the PO number? Not noted down. What is saying? Purchase document cannot be released. Okay, it's the alert. Okay. Let me check what is the problem.
सर अभी हम लोगों ने सेव किया था वो 6 था ना? जो अभी हम लोगों ने सेव किया था पीओ वो 629 था, राइट?
क्या?
अभी हम लोगों ने जो पीओ सेव किया था वो 629 था, राइट? 45629.
This one no?
हाँ.
अभी आ गया. Okay. Okay, let me check. Everything is fine. We'll change. Cannot be released. Okay. So everything is fine. Let me check. That option is not coming. Release. Address, communication, partners, channel, organization data, file, status, active, payment processing, product compliance. Release strategies tab should come here. It's not coming here. Let me check. Why it is not coming? It should come. Item detail. Purchase order. Other display change safely. It's not coming. Why is it happening? Go through. Okay. Let's go to release procedure again. In the release procedure, we have not mentioned any of the thing. One second. System, new GUI. slash NSPRO IMG reference material management purchasing purchase order release group let's copy this Control C, let's go back. Edit characteristics. Okay. GST test. Descriptions. Data type. Character format. Enter. 4. Descriptions. No. Edit class. Control V. Enter. So this is the screen. This is this character. Value of type characters. Plant. Additional data. Restrictions. Okay. If we change these strategies, no problem here. Let's go to okay. Let's go to here. Header. Item 10. Okay, let us go to slash NME81. conditions, texts, fulfill address, partner, organization, additional data, status, not delivered, payment processing, it's not this other. Let us try this one. Slash n ME28. Enter. What is our release code? My release code is 10, right? Release group BP. Scope list. Purchase organization. Release group is BP. Let's see BP is showing or not. Yes, BP is showing. Release code. Manager. Purchasing organization 959501. Scope list. Okay, LB. Execute. No. Not accepting again. Again, slash n ME29. This is not, this is the PO. Okay, if I try in a different company code, slash n ME21N. Let us check a different company code. Okay, purchase authorization is 3501. Purchasing group will be 350. Company code 3501. Enter. Okay. Supplier 3501. Supplier, we can try this one. Test vendor 4. Okay, account assignment category will be K. Nothing material. Material 3511. Enter. Okay, 3511. We can take materials as not class 24. No, it's the wrong material type. Material 3518. Let's see. Okay, material type 3517. Okay, 3517. We can take this one. Changes. Lights. Quantity 2 piece, whatever. Unit. Each. Net price we don't know. Currency INR. Enter. Okay, 2 lakhs it's taken. Enter the plant. Let's take hardware plant. Enter. 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 Okay, it's fine. Now let's save this. Let's see if there's any issues. No, only alerts, no problem. We can post it. Save. Okay, so this is the standard PO. Last is 630. Okay, now let us check here. /n ME29N. Enter. Which one is coming? No, not this one. This one should come. Okay, let's see. This is also not showing anything. Okay, let us come out of this one. Material management, purchasing, purchase order, release, 2020 on one. Option not coming, option not coming. Okay. No data change. No. It's not giving the release strategy. /n /n and 29n. That option is not coming. That option is not coming. Why the document cannot be released? Cannot be released. It's giving alert, but the release option is not coming. In the system, there is no option it's giving. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, it's already late. We'll try. I will try and check it out the error. Okay, the purchase acquisition is not showing. This what is called this release strategy is not coming in the screen. I have to check it out. Okay, none of the company codes the release strategy is coming. Even this company also it is not coming. We'll continue tomorrow with this. Okay. Good night. Any questions? I think you will today. You will not have any question. Let me first do the release strategy, then we'll discuss. Okay. Good night to all of you. See you tomorrow.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
It's not coming at all.